I think many people get confused between the difference of a sheet level sketch and a view level sketch. So I have an overall sheet. Think of that as your sheet of paper that you're going to print this out on, and then a view on that sheet. So if I create a sketch, it tells me to create to click on a view for the sketch or click on the sheet for the sketch. So if I click on the sheet itself and I put a sketch out here of some sort, and I'll finish that sketch. Now I can move that sketch anywhere on the sheet independent of the view. If I try to edit that sketch and uh, add say a tangent constraint between say this line and uh, this arc, it doesn't find that tangency because this is in the sheet, not in the view. So if I create another sketch, so I'll finish this sketch and I'll create a sketch, and this time I'll click on the view or inside the view, and then I'll create a rectangle, and, uh, and I'll finish sketch. And so notice now if I move that view around, the sketch goes with that view. And also notice there's a different symbol over here in the browser. So this one has a view symbol here on the glyph for the sketch. And again, if I go in and I edit this sketch, I could now add constraints between the sketch itself and the geometry of the view. I'm going to do that because I don't really want that. But so that should give you an idea of the difference between a view level sketch and a sheet level sketch.